transmission. As far as K10 trucks go, this is probably one of the best driving ones I've ever owned. You can hop in this truck and cruise it at 70 miles an hour. Drives really, really well and is very comfortable out on the road. Interior of this truck is really clean. The seat cover looks like it's recently been redone. It's the white seat cover with the black inserts of the houndstooth. Really easy truck to drive, has a really nice road feel to it. Usually when you get these K10s with a little bit of a bigger tire, they kind of road walk a little bit, or they're really bouncy. This truck's actually really comfortable. Doesn't have a lot of play in the steering. The brakes feel good. 4x4 on this truck works like it should. Inside the glove box, you have the spit decal, which breaks down what the truck was originally. The truck was originally a darker green. It was originally this green that you see on the dash, and now the outside is that mint green with white. Has a nice spray in bed liner. Tires are in really good shape. Right now we're cruising about 70 miles an hour. All of your lights on this truck work. All of your gauges work. The radio works. The heat and AC both work like they should. The two items that don't function properly are the flashers aren't working. It's got an aftermarket column in it, so probably something to do with that. When they put the column in, they didn't hook up the flashers right. The turn signals themselves do work. And then the other item that doesn't work is when you put it in reverse, the little white lights and the tail lights don't come on. So two pretty simple items. I really like these long bed four-wheel drive trucks. I personally prefer them over the short beds just because they seem to drive a little bit better. They're a little bit more proportionate. Sometimes when you get the short beds with the bigger tires, they seem to road walk a little bit. This particular truck, being a long bed, actually has a really nice road feel to it. You can hop in this truck and drive it wherever you'd want to go. It's very comfortable on the road. Really solid underneath. Almost all of these trucks, when you find them, the inner rockers or the cab corners, all that stuff's been replaced. This one looks all original and is really nice. Floors look really good. Frame rails look really nice. Underneath the bed is really solid. Just a good, clean, very, very solid truck. Exhaust has a good sound to it. Inside the cab, you can hear the exhaust when you're going down the road, but it's minimal. Doesn't have any drone. You get on the gas a little bit, you can hear it when you're accelerating, and it sounds really nice. Excuse me.